Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just recorded a great video for you that will be posted probably before this one, but I wanted to really quickly just show you how quickly you can straighten up a hot mess of your house. I have about 15 minutes to put this stuff away, unload and reload the dishwasher. So I'm going to see if we can actually get it done in that amount of time. So here's my timer. 15 minutes, and let's just see what we can get done. So there we go.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Guys, we're still doing pretty good. We're at 7 minutes. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. So guys, I still have about 3 minutes left, but I'm gonna stop right now because I need to, I would have to go upstairs and get the vacuum cleaner. But clearly if I had it down here, I could definitely knock this out. It was just a light touch up, but yeah, so when I get back from picking up my daughter, I come in and I just can start cooking, and I definitely will be doing the floors and stuff after dinner. But for now, at least it's straightened up, and if one of her friends wants to come over with her, then I don't have to worry about the house looking a mess. So you can definitely knock it out quickly, guys.
I hope this video helped or motivated you in some way, and just to see that you can do it in just a few minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye for now. So guys, just that quick, I still have 2 minutes and 48 seconds. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So it is about 5 o'clock and I picked my daughter up as I said I was going to, but I also swung by Macy's and I picked these up. I actually ordered them online and went ahead and stopped in to pick them up. These are Pyrex, like the simply storage containers. I'm trying to get rid of all the plastic ones, but they're kind of pricey. So I saw these and I picked them up for $12.99. They were regularly like $43. So I snatched them up and I actually ordered some mixing bowls as well. Those will come at a later time. They were out of stock on those, but I grabbed these and I thought, let me show you guys. So I'm going to unbox these and get them in the dishwasher. Do you have Pyrex dishes? What do you think about them? I mean, they're old. I grew up with them, but like I said, I want to replace all of the plastic storage containers that we have. So what better way to do it than getting a deal like this? So I got the little one. It's only a 6-piece set, but for $13, you can't beat it. Not crazy about the colors, but whatever. So you've got I'm missing one more, maybe. Yep. So those two. So you get one that's pretty good size one.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your
These are top rack only.
dreams tonight. Oh, so give me.
Friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and also go ahead and hit that like button while you're here. And until the next video, I'll see you later.
Did you just do a little shimmy?
Of course.